Hey everybody out there on the interweb, it's me Ron again. I thought I'd give you an update with my latest project, show you around it a little bit. And here we go. It's a chess set I made for my brother-in-law because he wanted a chess set for Christmas. So here we go. I made the board and I ordered the pieces from Amazon. It was 20 bucks. They're wood. You can see them. And the box they come in comes with 2 bags, so you can put each color in its own bag. Pretty cool. And this is the board. It's like 13 by 13, not counting the frame. And on the frame I put these little slats here with a piece of wood in there just to give it a little color and to give it strength so the border doesn't come apart, you know, with time. And I'll give you a look at the bottom. Whoops. Here we go. And that's the bottom. Looks pretty good, don't it? Give me a better look. And that's it. I didn't make a how-to video, but essentially what you do is you take one color strip of walnut or whatever you're using, one color strip of whatever you're using here, like oak or whatever. You glue 2 boards together. It'll be however long you're going to do them. And once you got them made, you would take them over the table saw, set it to the size you want, 2 inch, 2.5, 3, whatever it is, and just run it through and cut your pieces. Now, very important, do not move your table saw until you're completely done making your chess set. If you do, your squares are going to be off a little. I had to use my table saw for something and wound up making that mistake, so it was a pain in the ass to get everything the right size again. But then after that, you just flip them around, glue them. Now I couldn't run the whole chess set through my planer at once, so I had to do it in sections and run each one and run them through, then glue the section together for the final piece, and then sand the rest by hand. And I put this little border around it just to give it a little extra, you know, color and whatnot. And for the finish, I used, where is it? I used the polyacrylic satin. This is, I think, 3 coats, and it's really smooth, and it'll protect it from water spills and whatnot. Now I used the satin. I originally wanted to use the matte, but I couldn't find the matte at the time, so I used the satin, but I like it. Comes out real nice. And that's my project for now. I hope you enjoyed it, and see you next time. Thanks for stopping by.